Environment isn't a nice thing to do or a nice thing to have, but can actually deliver significant bottom line savings for the company.
Environmental management in Tulip came from a position where the primary focus of our sites was on legal compliance issues in the main. Come a long way from that baseline position. A big project over the last 12 months has been the install of a monitoring and targeting system, putting in site level meters to monitor our utility performance at a greater level. We've built on that by training environmental and energy specific engineering champions on each site.
As an energy champion, it's my responsibility to provide the information to the site on energy usage, and then to release that information to the managers with on site to show them what they're using in their department so they can focus on energy reduction and water reduction. We use a system called the Carbon Desktop. This is it's a process of wireless meters, and it's all uploaded onto the internet where we can access a website and everybody can log onto the website and see the information.
We're actually looking at things in detail. We can actually monitor exactly what areas are using various energy types, and then the champions are actually focusing on those particular areas and seeing how we can actually reduce that or further reduce from where we are.
We've seen a reduction in water and a reduction in electricity usage on site.
It's helped us measure on a nightly basis what water we're using. We've started recording it and putting it on our KPI sheets, and the whole team's on board with delivering the right results.
That's the message we're trying to get across. You know, every individual can see things, spot things. It's a different pair of eyes. You know, somebody who's not necessarily trained in it, but can just say, hey, why is that tap dripping all day long, or why are we wasting water in the yard, etc. So it's encouraging everybody to actually have an input.
I'm enjoying it. I'm constantly on the internet looking at ways. I speak to my suppliers. Is there any ways of reducing energy?
I get a big kick out of it, and so does my area leaders and the rest of the team, because they get told on a nightly basis what they use, what they're doing, chemicals, costs, and if you give them the information, then you start to get some teamwork, and it's certainly paid big dividends. Big dividends. It's a happy team.